Welcome to Henley-on-Thames, a town in England which is found along the River Thames, hence the name. It has beautiful, charming architecture, reminiscent of times gone by, and my journey started here. I remember walking on the street and wondering, should I film the left, the right, the left, the right? Everything was just interesting to my eye, and I think you will agree with me. Welcome to Lesson World, where we travel the world together and learn together. Thank you for coming back if you are a returning subscriber, and if you are new to this channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. And I hope you will also subscribe to this family. Enjoy the video. I was soon intrigued by the charming shop at the corner, and it was a teddy bear shop, a world famous teddy bear shop. Look at that. Asquith's is the name, and the child in me had to stop and enjoy looking through. guys, so this is Henley-on-Thames, the beautiful town that I fell in love with. I hope you have grown to love it with what you have seen so far. Do give this video a thumbs up if you have enjoyed it, and leave a comment for me in the comment section. Remember to watch the videos in the upcoming cards, and see you again soon. Thanks for watching.